Single-family house in Bonlez by LRARCHITECTES. Installed on a sloping site, this house takes advantage of the site's topography to be organized in half-levels and create a spatial continuity between the living spaces. The land is designed as a terrace and slope in response to the interior half-levels. The garden offers a succession of sequences, each with its own functions in relation to the house. The kitchen and dining room open generously onto the terrace and herb garden. The living room, on the same level as the vegetable garden and the natural swimming pool, enjoys a frontal view of the last slope, a wild garden punctuated by some fruit trees. Once anchored to the ground, this polygon radiates and takes advantage of the multiple orientations. Internally, it generates spatially dynamic and visual transparency between the three levels. This natural slate monolith ensures a sensitive relationship with the plant world and vibrates with variations in light. Inside, raw materials such as concrete and natural materials such as wood interact with color. Materiality and color are associated with the spatial concept. In this way, the interior wood cladding defines the daytime and nighttime spaces and provides acoustic comfort.